Alright, I'm at Bird Creek. I'm gonna try fishing for silvers, chums, and pinks on some eggs or possibly flossing. I also got some spinners. It's less slippery if you walk on the grass. It's very slippery down here, so definitely want some waders or tall boots. There's bears down here sometimes, so it's good to have bear spray or a gun. There's only 2 people down here this morning so far. Looks like that guy just got one. Where the Megs at? Thank you.
So today I'm using my bro's Set It, Snag It, Dip It, or Chia. I'm using his egg cure that he's been making. He calls it salmon sriracha. It's very good stuff. It stays on the hook nice, and fish seem to like it. I'm going to be running a slip bobber with about 1.5 feet of leader from my hook to my bobber, just because we're fishing low tide with eggs. We'll give it a try.
Damn, your eggs aren't even that messy.
I'm using a 3/0 circle hook with a egg loop on the back so I can attach my salmon roe in the egg loop and then cinch it down, and then feed it over the hook. That keeps the eggs on nice, so they're not falling off as often. Cinch down that egg loop and then feed it over the hook.
Push right behind this rock. Got enough weight on it. See something. Yeah, my eggs are coming up too much. Should grab some split shots. I don't got enough weight on. So my eggs just keep coming up. I'm gonna try flossing. Going. Pink. No, I lost it. It's okay, it was a spawned out pink. Got one. Pink. No. I just want your photo. Yep. On a spinner. Photo me. Alright, you've got 3 pinks on. Your turn. What's he got? What's your buddy's name again?
Francis.
Francis.
My bad.
Fish on.
I was fucking brain dead for
Pink. Sorry. It's like pretty stiff, so I could like, I didn't know if it was a snag or a fish. Yep. Snagger. Yeah. I would. Pink. Damn it. It was a bigger pink, or I snagged it. One of the two.
After this, I stayed for about another hour. I ended up hooking up on about 10 more pinks. My GoPro died, so I didn't have any footage of that. I had to go to work, and right after I left, one of my buddies I was fishing with caught a silver, and the other one caught a nice chrome chum. So silvers and chum are in there, you just gotta work for them.
Yes, I was.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Good luck and fish on.